Welcome to another Orginio tips and tricks video. Today's topic is around box views. We're talking about box views. This is where we can visualize the different information for the different use cases. In this example here, we're showing a compact view with the photo, the name, and the department. But let's say you want to create additional views for additional use cases. We can click on our display options at the bottom. And this is where we can toggle between the different views that we've already created. So let's say we want to have a business view. Again, we switch the different view, same information, but we're displaying different information based upon the condition of the box view. In this case right here, we're showing maybe the head counts, span of control, information as we toggle through. This is maybe where we see an org chart around a department view. We want to see time with company or job levels. Maybe it's around a diversity chart. This is where different use cases, sort of a directory chart with photo, directory chart without photo. Again, this is where you can set up the different views for the different needs that come in. So the CIO wants a chart, the CFO wants another chart, different audience members. This is where you can create from the same data set, just different views. And how we do this is we go over there, it's very top over here to our three-dot menu. We select settings, we select the visualization, and automatically we select the design tab. In the design tab here, we can see the different views that we've created. Don't recommend creating all these views, but again, these are just examples that you can create. And if I highlight one, let's call this the business view, use the menu bar here. This is where we can change the name. We have some options to choose. Head count, spans, KPIs that you can choose. Maybe around some visualization rules. In this case, I want to visualize open positions. Maybe I want to look at the box design and make some modifications. The list of attributes on the right, I can then drag and drop, and I can set this in. So department name, if this is an example I want to use, but I want this on one line, click one line. If I don't need to show the title in front of that, I can toggle that on or off. And likewise, I can delete. So again, different flexibility to create different visualizations based upon the different needs that you have. This is where you can toggle between the PDFs for different use cases, but you can also set a default view. And a default view is the one view that you would set up for the employees per se. In this case, maybe it is the directory photo, directory with photo. Now that's the one view. Then now I can embed a URL, a link from Orginio into a SharePoint or intranet site. And as often as Orginio is refreshed, so will that org chart within that site, but it's only that one view of the corporate directory. While editors within Orginio can toggle between the different views that they've created. So let's go out of here and we go back to our org chart here. And this is where we can see it electronically or on the screen. But let's say we want to create a PDF, and this is where we can create a PDF or a multi-page batch print PDF. And now we can toggle between the different views that we want to have. So maybe we want a talent overview chart where we highlight different information. Hopefully this was helpful. Stay tuned for additional tips and tricks videos.